Hi guys, so today I'll be going to the river once again. We're gonna try this again, so hopefully it works out in take two. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to the river today to just get a little wash off and just chill. So yeah, let's see if it works out in my favor this time, because the last time it was dirty. So it's not holiday, not Nangwana, Jamaica. So I could see if the river water I go clean. So yeah, I'm gonna be on my way now. We're gonna head out, so I'll see you soon.
A fat Benz pass me on the highway, I wonder when me I could drive one. Apply for the visa couple times, I know get it. And when me I go fly there, me take a trip down memory lane.
Water look nice. Right now, we're in Salt River.
Salt River.
Finally,
Out of the beach, Jamaica.
in the bar getting some liquor. Let me show them the liquor. Getting our little stash. Go party. A little of everything.
Give that for the way of love.
Hey. Hey.
Let's go fair money and come back.
So guys, we're about to go in the water soon. We just have to try settle ourselves a bit of vibes. Get we station ready before we're going to the river. So that's what we're up to at the moment. Keisha, where are you going?
I got one big one already, so don't even look at baby. I already got she like a drink, but we need a cup. I don't think you need any more.
Yeah, me still a take taxi. Me no buy a little car yet, no, no. Me now make that frost me. Dog, me still a carry on,
Water
yo,
is so
yo,
beautiful.
yo.
Look at
Me
it.
a work hard for the goal, cause me know say success coming for sure. I
So
progress
I'm about to get
again,
in, so I'm
yeah,
gonna come off
yeah,
this.
yeah. Hey, so soon. Hey, me see house for sale, and I wish me coulda buy one. A fat Benz pass me pon the highway, I wonder when me I could drive one. Apply for the visa a couple times, I no get it. And when me I go fly then, me take a trip down memory lane, me bust a smile man. Cause when me look back to where I was 4 years ago to where I am now, I feel say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Father God. I may not have everything I wanna hold, but for what I have now, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Father God. Listen me now. Enough producers bench me, tell you the truth, that's not nice. Now the amount of rhythms so me get a daytime, me confused and know I wish one for vice. Big up to all who help me, the ones them we happy fi see the rise. If your heart's hard work and sacrifice, them will tell you say me no reach us so overnight. Cause me look back to where I was couple years ago to where I am now. Me have to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Father God. I may not have everything I wanna hold, but what I have now, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Father God. Hey, hey. Remember when me used to do security work? When people asleep, me I prepare for work. My father no believe in my music. Dog John know it hurts. But me still a sing like the choir up on the church. Find a good song now, me I prepare for births. Yo, I'm ready for the real dog, cause me well rehearsed. When me look back to where I was 4 years ago to where I am now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Father God. I may not have everything I wanna hold, but for what I have now, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah, thank you, Father God. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Listen how me sing say that. When me look back to where I was 4 years ago to where I am now, me have to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Father God. I may not have everything I wanna hold, but for what I have now, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Father God. Yeah, yeah. Yeah man, it's a joy if you when you can really sit down and go back down memory lane and see the struggles them you go through and see where you reach in your life and where you come from. Cause believe it or not, you know, we face the struggles them, and not just a story and a storyteller thing, and you know, and not just lyrics, a real life thing we make some pencil out and put down for rhythm. You see what me I say, cause I saw the thing go, I inspire the youths them, motivate the youth them. I have to tell the truth then, problem.
My ear is I'm gonna go. I'm gonna give it a good wash because this river water is salty. Right now my ear is tangled. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wash it. So just coming out the water. I couldn't get nobody to video
I'm
me
about to come in the water because she
in
wants
the
to get a
water.
picture. Okay, let's go. On our way to take Kizzy's photo. Stay
Yes,
tuned.
I need a moment with me in the water also.
Stay tuned.